Okay, where are we going?
We are going to the Indiana State Fair.
On a return trip from a couple years ago, actually.
Exactly.
Now,
Yes.
would you like to describe your outfit, because that's very important?
Well, I'm going to wear my hat all day today, and this is my biking hat,
Oh,
which has
that's
bananas on it.
that's
So
bananas.
I wore my banana shirt today.
Banana shirt, banana hat. Okay, all right. We're gonna go right. Hardest part is getting out on 216th because there are two roads that are closed and they're all diverted over here. All right, off we go. Helmet adjustment,
Yes.
because you're wearing a hat.
Well, I want to wear a visor today.
Yeah, she's wearing a visor today.
All right, ready to roll.
Midland Trace, off we go.
Okay.
Head out. Well, we're riding in eco mode primarily because this today will be just under 50 miles and my range is probably 45 in tour, so a little bit of eco to save battery. See, the range is 76 miles in eco. It would be substantially less in tour. Hi there, guys. Hi. What trail?
Midland Trace.
Between which two cities?
Noblesville and Westfield.
Although Noblesville isn't quite completed.
Right.
But they're working on it. Yeah, I know they're working on it. And that's going to connect the Monon to the nickel plate through this trail eventually.
Yep.
Coming into Westfield on the Midland, and everything is under construction.
Yep.
But where we're going to go, it's not. We're actually going to go behind Park Avenue.
Right.
And the Midland will eventually intersect with the Monon. So off we go. He's gonna let us go on by. Thank you. That was nice. Sometimes they let you on by. You gotta work both ways though, and
Yeah, that guy was slowing down.
well, I've seen him slow down and then bolt through. That's the worst of the situations.
Right.
Kind of like faking you out.
It doesn't matter.
That's a good spot.
Golden retriever.
Oh, that's a keeper. That's a keeper. But she's golden. Look at all of them. (146th Street). We're at 12.7 miles from the ranch. On your left. I bet you the dog is the boss. I'll race him. I'll race him. Come on. Well, she learned that from Doozer, and She does not have the same pitch as him. But you are Dutch and he's Dutch, so there's a match there. Good looking dogs. Good looking dogs. Oh, he's got a stick. Yeah. Any given day.
You're welcome.
Any given day in Carmel, on a warm day, nice day, you will have a traffic jam. It's a nice trail. And we come to a detour. They're taking us right. Oh, wait a minute, that's okay. Do that. Well, every time you come to Carmel, the trail's going to be closed in some way, shape, or form. Well, it looks like they did. This was the workaround. Okay, this will work. And that's the old train station right there, which, yeah, very nice. Two of us. The Palladium.
On your left.
The Hotel Carmichael. You know, the Monon is probably the best rails to trails in America. We've ridden thousands of miles and you just don't see this anywhere else, and it's right here in Indiana. Yeah, well, yeah, it's very interesting. A lot of apartments have gone in. Well, I don't know if they know this. They probably think we're basically cowboys. Well, here in Carmel, these apartments go for about $1 million. Yeah, condos. Howdy. Boil her up. Hey, we're heading down to the State Fair. Would you mind pedaling her the rest of the way? Just hop in the back.
You want to? You actually, what we'd like to do is, I'll take it outside and go right in the parking lot.
Oh, we don't want to do that because we'd buy it. We would buy it.
Well, actually, it's not for sale.
I saw you renting. You rented
We do
people
it.
to
We
ride
would.
on the Mona?
Yes. So
Do you take them or do they take themselves?
they take themselves on this one.
Stay there.
Rick, hop in and we'll give you
You'll
both
go for a
a
ride?
We're gonna go for a ride. Okay, hold on.
I can't just go really.
Well, I gotta.
Sit up front. It gets a better feel.
Now, how big a motor and all that does this have? Do you know the?
This is an 85 Newton meter.
Like my
motor.
My 3 Plus is an 85. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. So it's a cargo version, and it has 14 gears.
Oh wow.
So we definitely take advantage of that mechanical advantage with the gears as
So
well.
you can
as
actually
power.
ride 4 and
Correct.
put a dog.
Oh, we could.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. The trailer.
All right, we're gonna go for a ride.
Okay, let's go for a
All
ride.
right, we're gonna go for a ride.
This will probably the best ride we'll be on today.
This was totally unexpected. This was not. We didn't stop this. All right, this is gonna
Here
be
we
cool.
go.
Here we go.
Oh,
Yeah.
gosh, good turning.
Wow.
The
Here we
front
go.
posts up there give me a perspective of
Oh, yeah.
where my front end is at, so
Yeah.
it makes it easier for me to ride it.
You can get up some good speed here.
Yeah, I would say between 10 and 15 miles an hour
Okay.
is a comfortable pace.
There's a little farm stand.
And the advantage here is with the passengers riding up front,
Yeah.
it's a little more comfortable for them. It feels a little more like a thrill ride.
It
You might feel
does.
like you're in Florida right now.
Yeah.
But the other thing is you don't have to smell the smelly driver.
Oh yeah.
It's a rickshaw.
That's true.
If you ever ridden on one of those, especially in Asia,
No.
it's an experience if the driver's been working his tail off for a few
We should have gone to. Hey, next time we're coming back here. We're gonna hire somebody to take us to State Fair. If this was at the State Fair, this would be a popular vehicle.
Well, that's probably one of the things that's coming in the future. So this is a prototype.
Oh, this is just a prototype?
Wow.
This is a prototype, and we're in the process of building a few more.
Cool.
Now, who built this?
David, a collaboration of about four different people.
Oh, okay.
That's cool.
All right.
And
Very cool.
the idea is to make this a last mile transport.
Go to the grocery store, that type of thing. Do away with the second car. Yep.
Correct. Well,
Yeah.
the thing is, it's last mile, maybe like a 3-mile radius, and we replace Uber within that 3-mile
Oh, sure.
radius.
Yeah. And it's actually more pleasant. Cool. Well, I'm going to keep my bike for now. But
Okay.
maybe when I
Who's walking who? Welcome to Indianapolis. Indianapolis. Trail gets a little crappier, but there are parts down here that they've drastically improved, even closer to downtown. Not here though. The most dangerous intersection for the Monon Trail in Hamilton and Marion County is right here. Now they're going to put a bridge over this.
they need to.
The bridge eventually.
See that coming. Wow.
Two bikes. My first dog was a toothy dog like that. A little bit of bumpers. Petalin Park, 10:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Tuesdays and Saturdays, different hours.
Yeah, but I mean, it's also during the day and, well,
Hi there.
Okay.
Oh, tell us about Petalin Park.
So Petalin Park is an organization that manages show them the lot here.
Sure.
And so we actually have bicycle parking at about 20 different events, and then we have different organizations actually staff it during those things. The organizations that have Petalin Park, they pay to have the bicycles come, and actually the organization that gets it gets $1 for every bicycle that's
Oh,
parked.
nice. Yeah.
So, you know, we're all volunteers doing this, but it's whatever the hours are, and you come in and we tag the bicycle with a tag, and then we tag you with the
Oh,
wristband.
yeah, you got me already.
And that's the primary thing. And then once you go, and then you come back and we match those up and we cut
Is there
those
a
off.
website for Petalin Park?
I'm sure there has
I'll
to
find
be.
it. I'll
Yes.
find it,
Yeah,
yeah.
there's got to be a Petalin Park. Yeah.
All right.
Facebook
Well, there it is
page.
right there, www.petalinpark.com. How creative.
Where's that one?
Right
oh,
there
yeah,
in the
the
bottom.
bottom. Yeah.
Well, that's
Petalinpark.com.
That's pretty
Okay.
creative. All right, thank you for your time.
So,
Oh, that's so creative. That is absolutely the top. You win today. You're the winner.